Hi guys, my name is Julia Lima and I'm a professional opera singer. Singers, we all heard from our voice teachers that there is like breath exercise with the straw. Like this. So, like three simple notes, you know, da 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 dum. Also, my favorite is sound E that helps us to close our vocal cords, and we can do it like this: sing E inside and still breathe through the straw. And then you can go down the same with sound E. Let's say E, but with closed lips. And go down. It's like holding your tongue with your fingertips, like this. Relaxing the back of the root of your tongue. The same E sound, but with the closed lips. And again. Relax the back of your tongue. So you can tell like it's already like a higher voice now. So basically I feel like I'm ready to go on the stage right now. Please sing all the high notes.